Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Suzuki Swift GL. Stock reference number 5634. The shape runs from the 8th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2017. It has a K14B, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K14B, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has no damage, tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent and a light fold on the rear edge. Right front door has two small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.